Question is a 230 volt 50 Hz 4-pole single phase induction motor is rotating in the clockwise direction at a speed of 1425 rpm. If the rotor resistance at standstill is 7.8 ohm, then the effective rotor resistance in the backward branch of the equivalent circuit will be. So in the question given data is rotor resistance at standstill is 7.8 ohm. In the question given this data, then synchronous speed ns is equals to 120 f divided by p. This is the formula of synchronous speed. Then 120 or multiply f. F is the frequency given in the question 50 Hz. 50 or divided by p is number of pole. In the question given p is 4 pole, then synchronous speed ns is equals to 120 multiply 50 divided by 4. 4 cancel 120, 30. Then it become 1500 rpm. Synchronous speed ns is equals to 1500 rpm. Then slip is equals to ns minus nr or divide by ns. Then synchronous speed is 1500 minus nr. nr in the question given 1425 or divide by 1500. Then slip is equals to 1500 minus 1425 become 75 or divide by 1500. Then slip is equals to 0.05. This is the value of slip. Then the slip of rotor with respect to backward field. Slip of rotor. Slip of rotor is equals to 2 minus s. Slip of rotor with respect to backward field is 2 minus s, then 2 minus 0.05, then it become 2 minus 0.05 is 1.95. 1.95 is the slip of rotor with respect to backward field. Then effective resistance is equals to R2 divided by 2 into 2 minus s. Then R2 is 7.8 ohm. 7.8 or divided by 2 into 2 minus s. 2 minus s is 1.95. 1.95. So in the question, effective resistance is equals to R2 divided by 2 into 2 minus s. Then it is 7.8 divided by 2 into 1.95. Simplified this expression become 2 ohm. Then answer is this 2 ohm. In the question, find the rotor resistance in the backward branch of the equivalent circuit will be. In the question given data is rotor resistance at standstill 7.8 ohm given data, and her frequency is 50 Hz and number of poles is 4. Then use the formula synchronous speed ns is equals to 120 f divided by p. Then put the value of frequency and number of poles. It become 120 multiply 50 divided by 4. Simplified, this value become 1500 rpm is the value of synchronous speed. And slip is ns minus nr divided by ns. Then put the value of ns 1500 minus 1425 divided by 1500 equals to 75 divided by 1500. It becomes slip is equals to 0.05 and slip of rotor is equals to 2 minus s. 2 minus s, then 2 minus s is the 0.05, then it become 1.95. Slip of rotor become 1.95, then effective resistance is equals to R2 divided by 2 into 2 minus s. Then put the value of R2 is 7.8 divided by 2 into and 2 minus s is 1.95. Then simplified, this value become 2 ohm is the answer of this question. Thank you.